Hello, let's explore how to create a star chart in Excel. I have movies and their year of release, and then I have the ratings for those movies starting 1 to 5. I want to create a star chart based on the ratings of the movies. Please, before we create the star chart, please note the shortcut to use emojis in Excel is Windows key and semicolon. And we will be using emojis in the star chart as well as we will be coming up with some emojis and we'll do some magics with that. So let's come up with a star chart for the movies and their ratings. The formula we will be using is repeat. The text is basically the star symbol. So I press Windows key and semicolon and I get the emojis which I can use in Excel. And as you see, there are multiple emojis which are available here. I have selected the star emoji which is available and I close the double quote and the number of times I want to repeat this star, I say column C, which is my rating for the movie. And you can beautify this or format this particular these stars using the colors you want. Copy these stars, copy the formula and paste it across the range. And now you have the star ratings for each of your movie. When I change the rating of a movie, it automatically gives as many stars to the movie. Let's explore another way of using emojis in Excel. So I have the ratings and I'll be using ratings to come up with certain emojis which are uh, sad face, let's say. Now, if this is equal to 1, then the emoji I want to use is a sad face. Else, if the rating is equal to 2, or let's say the rating is equal to 3, then I want to give an emoji which is flat face. Else, the emoji is going to be smiling face. Now, when I paste this formula across the range, I can filter all the movies based on the emojis as well. Now, we can also use these emojis in the slicer. And to do that, let me convert this range to a table. Now, when I convert this to table, and I now insert a slicer, and I say emoji as the slicer, and I can now filter my range based on what kind of emoji, and it will sort or it will filter my movies based on the emojis I have. Thank you.